A lot of our users are confused about working with dates and Excel. You would be surprised, but dates actually do not exist. This is a rather vague statement. What I mean that dates just the numbers which are represented to the user using date format function. So in order to load data into Excel, we need to do two things. We need to set the format using date format function. Then our software will know that this data is actually date. Or if your data is already in this format, there is no need to use date format function. The next thing we need to do, we need to set the format inside the Excel file. Here is the format. This is what we want to use. Same for this one. I hope this video is useful. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.